Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on STD presented by your mentor Vivek. Today I will be concluding JavaScript and we would be starting with um, a refresher of PHP after this. So let's get started. A student types their phone number with spaces, forgets their name, and picks a slot that's already taken. Old school JavaScript would scream alert boxes at them. We are better than that. Today, we build inline visual feedback right into WorkshopHub's booking form. Three tools: conditionals, arrays with loops, and small functions. That's what we are going to look at in today's unit. If else validation. Conditionals are the heart of validation. If this, do that. Else, do something different. If the same field trimmed in an empty string, we inject an error paragraph right under the field. Name is required. Red text in the page, not a pop-up. Name is required. You can check out in the preview over here. That's what you will get, and that's totally inline, not a pop-up. Else, the happy path. We show a green confirmation instead. Same spot, different message. The form talks back either way. If you see here, looks good, Priya. Arrays and overlap check. Now the overlap check. The book slots live in an array, one variable holding many values. Tuesday 6 p.m., Thursdays 5, Saturday 10. Index 0, 1, 2. Careful, arrays are 0 indexed. The first element is 0, not 1. Remember that. forEach walks the array and runs a function for every slot. The moment the chosen slot matches a booked one, we flag the warning. The time is already booked. Pick another. No page reload, instant feedback. A for off loop would do the same job. Arrow functions. Repeated logic belongs in a function, and modern JavaScript writes them as arrows. Clean phone takes the raw input as a parameter and returns it with the spaces stripped. Return hands the result back to whoever called. And on submit, we run all three checks. Clean the phone, require the name, catch the overlap. So only a fully valid booking goes through. Three form habits. Three form habits for every form you will ever build. 1. Validate with if else and show the message in the page, never a pop-up. 2. Loop arrays to check new input against existing data, like our booking slots. 3. Wrap reusable logic in small arrow functions that returns values. The booking form now guides students instead of yelling at them. Up next, we would be covering the React concepts. After React, we will check the PHP concepts. Components, props, the state, no framework commitment required. All right, so that's the next unit. So see you in the next unit. Until then, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Peace out.